The hunt is on for chocolate cake. It's almost 11. Oh, somebody's got a new washing machine, fridge. Where is it? Washing machine. Our neighbors have got a new washing machine. It's almost 11. I'm going to try to do this in one take. It's going to be non-stop recording. And we're on the ground floor now. You see this wooden plank? That wooden plank is to keep dogs out of the staircases, because then they mess up the staircases where the garbage is kept. And anyway, we're going to go and have some chocolate cake now. We've got some companions on the street. We feed these guys every day. They wait for us. They wait for us to feed them some biscuits and rice. There are 4 of them. That's the mother, you can see.
Bye.
And Balewadi High Street is only 5 minutes from here on the scooter. So that's where we are planning to go and get our chocolate cake. The hunt is on. So it's not been raining the whole day, but the weather is really nice. It's nice and cool. I'm wearing a jacket, as you can see, and the roads are dry, which also means one thing, that the riding season is about to begin. And I have planned a very big motorcycle trip. It's going to be a very long one. I think it's going to take about 50 or 60 days. Can you imagine the size of the trip? So eagerly waiting for it. You can subscribe to the channel because an epic road trip is coming up. It's a Saturday evening. There are lots of activity on the streets. There's a really nice restaurant or a lounge on the left side called Turbo Kitchen and Bar. Turbo Kitchen and Bar. See the rush. Party mode is on, baby. Puma showroom with a 70% off discount. I want a cap. Puma cap. Maybe I should go inside one of these days and get myself a cap. Oh wait, Moini was going to give me one, right? Are you going to give me a cap?
Yes.
Awesome. Whoa, whoa, whoa. I am using only the front brakes and 90% of the front brakes are gone. So I have to hold the lever completely, even then it doesn't slow down. So you see these pillars. There's a massive metro station which is going to come up over here near Balewadi High Street. And here there's another lounge called Moscow. It's a bar. Never been there, but looks good from outside. Effing board on the left for some locally crafted beer. They've got some nice beers, especially the wheat beer. It's nice. We are almost there now. We're almost there. There's a lot of traffic on the road even at 11 o'clock at night. Because people are out and about to have a good, fun weekend. And now we take a left turn from here. Lots of bars and lounges on the left. And oh, look at the traffic over here. If we can just find a parking spot for our scooter, I think we'll find one on the right. Yeah, there it is. Scooter? It's going to be a little bit of a tight fit, but we'll do it. Wow, we've been recording for 6.5 minutes non-stop. Starbucks. McDonald's is full. I really love their softie. Sorry. I just stepped on somebody's foot. Coffee shops, poetry, cafe.
मसला दोनों है
Here we are, Baker's Basket. I hope they have the cake that I'm looking for. Let's see. Let's check it out. Ask them if they have some. See, they have hazelnut celebration. Hazelnut celebration is in Vegas, but this is in egg. Oh, I don't like that.
Okay, then we'll go with this. They have a cheesecake also.
Mango cheesecake. Oh,
Any one is fine.
hazelnut
Yeah, yeah. Now
Hazelnut
that we
is
don't
good.
have much options. Yeah, let's come. So let's take one of these.
Hazelnut. भाई एक hazelnut celebration. Yes, yeah. Hazelnut celebration. Where do we sit? Oh, there is a table is set.
Yeah, I'll take it.
Yeah. Okay. हेजलनट ना कितना करना है इसका 130 किसका 525
We can eat and pay, right?
ओके 130 सेलिब्रेशन
केक सांगितलं होता फोन करून पार्सलसाठी
I won't obey. You cannot tell me what I cannot say. I'm here to last, so yeah, I'm here to stay. I'll live each second like my final day. You can't take that away.
the first bite go for it how's it
Good.
how's the hazelnut flavor
Nice.
it's good can I try it's soft Oh man, this is so good.
Good,
So
yeah.
good. Yum yum. It's got 3 layers. Dark chocolate, some kind of hazelnut mousse, and then another layer of chocolate at the bottom. So very tasty. Yum. Usually eggless cakes are a bit dry, but not this one. It's nice. $130 for this. I think it's good. Good value. Grand success. Found my chocolate cake. Thanks for watching.
कॅडबरा खाल्लेलं
Everything's shutting down. People are going back home. And it's not even 12. But everybody is being asked to leave. Found my chocolate cake. It's 12 o'clock now, and time to go back home. The places are shutting down, but at least I found my chocolate cake. So with that said, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. People are having chai at this time of the day. I love the streets on a Saturday evening. And the metro work doesn't stop. That machine is remote controlled. The only time I'm scared of riding a scooter or a bike is on a Saturday night after 12, because people are just crazy, drunk, and the driving is just madness.
I won't obey.
We feed these dogs every day. Biscuits, chapatis, see?